pin face and the name that's been emailing you. So that you spoke with Nav, my manager on Facebook. I got this ram right over here. I got this other beautiful red ram over here, and I got a Ford. But as you can see down the road here, I got ample amount of trucks. Just want to know what you're after, and therefore I can put something together. Okay, back there, a little loud, sorry about that. But therefore I have enough trucks to probably find you the exact one that you're after. So I'll show you this one real quick. 1500 Rebel. It's a beautiful red and slash black interior. On this one here, there's only 72,000 kilometers. I don't know if that's low enough kilometers for you, but therefore it is the crew cab. You got the spray and box line of the short box. It looks like someone bought the mats, took really good care of the vehicle. There's that one there. This one here is pretty much the exact same, just red, but therefore it has a little bit lower kilometers. And it has running boards compared to that one doesn't have running boards. Kind of same thing, you got kind of the suede, kind of leather, nice red wraparound and everything. And this one here, I'll just go to the other side there. Ardell. This one only has 51,505 kilometers. It has the, what's it called? The air suspension, heated steering wheel, heated seats, 8.4 touchscreen, sunroof, similar to that one as well. And then, exactly what you're after, but I got this beautiful Ford here too. I'm just gonna pull some out for you. This one there, Ardell. This one only has 30,000 kilometers. It's a 6-seater Super Crew. Ample amount of room in here if you're looking for a work truck or an everyday truck. Therefore, I got the options for you. So, Ardell, if you have any other questions or concerns, I'd love to help you out finding the right truck and therefore the right price.